Hey guys, here's a quick video on creating the PDF on the Mac Apple computer. So I'm on my Mac computer, just on the Google homepage. So it's got the Olympic stuff on the homepage for the Olympics. Just type in Google Docs on the Google search page. And that will bring up Google Docs. So you have Google Docs here, Google Docs. Click on Google Docs. That will open Google Docs. And you want to do this first blank document, start a new document. You just want to do this blank document. So that's going to open a new document, completely blank. It's just like a Microsoft Word document. And now, if you already have the image, the photo on your computer, if it was on your phone and you emailed it to yourself, then you could get it on your email on your computer and you could save it on your computer. So then in Google Docs, you can go to the top here and it's insert image is this little button. So you can insert an image and you can do it from your computer. So upload from your computer. That's going to bring up the files on your computer. So again, if you had the photo on your phone and you emailed it to yourself, then open your email on your computer and save it on your computer so you can get it here. And I'm going to pick this image. It's just like some floor. But again, pick whatever image you need from your computer and open it. That'll bring it into the Google Doc. So it's now part of the Google Doc, which is just like a Microsoft Word file. Now to create the PDF, go to File and Download. And that will give you a bunch of options, and one of them is the PDF. So File at the top left, Download, and then PDF. Select that, and it's going to create a PDF here on my computer. You can open that. So now this is the PDF. It's on my computer. You can see here, it's kind of a crazy file name, but it's untitled 20 document 22 PDF. So, and it's showing it in a PDF window, and it has the image that we selected, or that I selected from the computer. So hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if I can explain any differently.